What is up, guys? In this video we're going to be having a look at KDA making a ugly candle, ugly wick right here on the 4-hour time frame. I'm not a big fan of it, but right here on the weekly time frame, KDA seems like it is breaking out finally, or attempting to break out of this channel right here that we've been consolidating since June 2024, essentially June 17. And KDA right now just broke 205 million. Pretty funny right here. Volume is high, $47 million. This is what I like to see on the coin that doesn't really generate so much volume, unfortunately, and we need to make KDA great again. So you guys can see right here, volume has been surging on the 4-hour time frame. If we have a look right here on the daily time frame, we could see that volume has been slowly picking up, which is a very bullish sign. So as we're going to the upside, volume is slowly coming and creeping up to the upside as well, which is obviously very bullish. We're going to see some volume right here on the weekly time frame in order for us to see KDA pump again. So we're seeing right here, we saw obviously a fake out right here, unfortunately, a few weeks ago. I hope this is not going to be a fake out. I hope this is going to be the start of KDA making KDA great again, essentially, and that's about it. Now, something that I do want to talk about also is KDA against Bitcoin, and this is actually a very important chart, and a lot of people might not think it's important, but we need to essentially go up and break this level right here. So this is the neckline for KDA on the weekly time frame. If Kadena manages to break this level right here, then obviously we could see some massive swings to the upside. But what's really cool, total supply 1 million, circling supply 296 million tokens. Now, a lot of people are really bullish on KDA, and the reason why is because, you know, Trump is trying to make pretty much companies in America tax-free, crypto tax-free. So if you're a company and you've built in America, you don't need to pay taxes, essentially. That's what he's trying to do. That doesn't mean it's going to happen. The law hasn't been passed yet, but that's what he's trying to do. And of course, there's been a lot of hype around that, and you know, people are investing in KDA because obviously it's going to be tax-free. So people are really bullish on that. That's what I've been seeing on Twitter, by the way. I've been seeing a lot of people on Twitter, oh, KDA is made in America, KDA is made in America, Kadena is made in America, etc. And then they're comparing it to other projects such as AVAX, etc. So obviously that's pretty good on the longer time frame. And if we have a look right here on KDA, something that I don't like to see is these pump and dumps right here on the 4-hour time frame. I don't know why we just can't have just a green breakout, like a big solid clean breakout. I mean, we always have these wicks. It seems like people are dumping every pump they see, unfortunately, which is really annoying. It seems like people aren't really trusting KDA. So KDA obviously did pump a good amount, like 8% in this 4-hour candle. I mean, that's pretty big. We were up 10% at one point in the last 24 hours, and of course KDA decided to come back down. Now, if we have a look right here on the 4-hour time frame, it seems like KDA is pretty much making some sort of bearish divergence, which is not obviously the best part. So we could see right here, we are making higher highs right here on the chart, and we are also making lower highs on the regular RSI, which is not the most bullish pattern, but obviously on the longer time frame, we're gonna have to see what happens. Longer time frame, we're still pretty clean. KDA is still looking pretty solid in my opinion. Beautiful bounce. Moving average is going to the upside on the RSI, which is looking pretty darn good. Let's have a look at the regular stochastic RSI, which is probably one of my favorite indicators right here. We could see right here the stochastic RSI are a little bit oversold, which is a little bit disappointing because we know historically every time we are overbought, sorry, not oversold, every time we are overbought, which is technically above the 80 right here, we always make those nice little reversals right here. So you guys can see every time we are overbought, we're making these reversals, which is really annoying. So I don't know how many times I'm gonna say this or I'm gonna see this, but pretty much we've been in this channel right here, and you guys can see every goddamn time we see these things going up, we're usually coming back down. And the reason why is that KDA doesn't pump as much. We need to see less green candles and more longer and bigger candles, because if we're gonna see, you know, 100 green candles, that's not gonna be good. That's not gonna be good, especially if the pumps are 0.2% every candle. That's not gonna be good, guys. We need to see KDA take 10%, 20%, 30% each daily candle, not 3%. I mean, these are literally pussy gains. Excuse my French, but these are not the best gains, guys. So hopefully on the weekly time frame, guys, we could have a nice little breakout right here on KDA, a nice little closure. The weekly time frame does end in 11 hours, so we got 12 more hours left for KDA to finish the week strong. If we could finish above these wicks right here, I know a lot of people like to count the bodies, but you guys can see right here, we have a wick right here, a wick right here, a wick right here, and they all align with the resistance. If KDA manages to break above this and closes above, that would obviously be very bullish. Hopefully The beginning of next week we could have a massive candle, and pretty much that's about it. But guys, like I said, not looking the best. I mean, we also have some sort of bearish divergence right here on the not only on the 4-hour but on the weekly as well. So we're gonna have to see what happens here. Overall, Bitcoin is looking good. Bitcoin's king. If Bitcoin dumps, we could see KD dumping as well. In my opinion, Bitcoin is due for a correction. Hopefully we could consolidate here a little bit more, and we're not gonna dump, but a lot of money has been flowing into the altcoins, which is bullish. And I mean, that's about it, guys. That is my quick video on KD. If you guys do like this video, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, follow me on my new Twitter. The link will be in the description below, guys. This is my new Twitter, by the way, for those of you guys who don't know. My old Twitter unfortunately did get hacked. I'm currently sitting at 284. So if you are a KDA fan, make sure you follow me on Twitter. I will also be launching a potential meme coin on KDA, and the reason why that is because I want to bring adoption to KDA. So how did Solana explode, right? It started with NFTs, and then it started with meme coins. Solana didn't explode because people were building useful projects on it. Solana exploded because of memes. So I want to make KDA great again. I want to essentially build a massive meme coin that will go to $100 million, because in order for KDA to go up, we need meme coins to essentially go up as well, because if more people buy KDA to buy the meme coins, KDA will go up as well. If you guys do like this video, once again, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video again.